Parental alienation in divorce. Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder and CEO of Farias Family Law. We are a divorce and custody firm in Southern Massachusetts. And I want to talk about parental alienation because it is probably the most negative aspect of divorce when it is in play. And basically, parental alienation is when one parent is pushing the other parent away, discouraging the child from spending time with and having a connection with the other parent. And it's very, very damaging. So, first of all, I want to make sure that we clarify there is a difference between keeping the child safe and parental alienation. In other words, you can keep your child safe without alienating the other parent. So, if there is a legitimate safety concern, then you need to make sure that you address that the correct way, the proper way. You need to make sure that you talk to an attorney about what your concerns are and what the options are for addressing those concerns and making sure the child is safe. And you can do that without alienating the child. So that's when the line is crossed. And, alienating, first of all, does a lot of damage or can do a lot of damage to a child. If the child feels like a parent is bashing the other parent, trying to push the other parent away, then that can cause some significant psychological damage. And what's scary is it is impossible to measure that, especially early on. You can't really see the extent of the damage. A lot of these kids are not going to come out and say, I'm feeling anxious about the fact that you think my mom or dad is a loser, or you're pushing them away, or you're not letting me talk to them. So you really got to make sure that you do it the right way so that you minimize the harm to the child. And again, you can keep the child safe without alienating the child from the parent. It's just that you have to make sure that you approach it in a way that minimizes that psychological impact. The other thing that's important to know is that for parents who are not handling these issues properly and are, in fact, alienating the other parent, there can be serious repercussions. So we have seen judges reverse custody on alienation cases. So you can have a case where the primary parent might actually be the more stable parent in all other facets. But if that parent is alienating the other parent and there is evidence of that, and the judge believes that that's happening, the judge can actually reverse custody. So the judge can give custody from the primary parent to the other parent who was being alienated. So the repercussions are real and they are severe. So if you are in a position where you have another parent who might be an issue in terms of the time that the child is spending with that parent, then make sure you're doing it the right way. If you're on the other side of this and you feel like you're being alienated, then you need to talk to an attorney so that you can take some action and get this moving in the right direction. So parental alienation, just don't do it. It's bad news. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it, and you can also find us on social @Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.